toolsGamma, guys, has sent me a mystery box. Look at the size of this box. It is so heavy as well. So I'm super excited. So guys, come unbox this with me. Okay, so let's get into it. Guys, make sure you comment as well in the comments. What do you think this is? Moment of truth. I wonder what they sent me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do it. Oh, okay. So we have, starting off, some hitters. Love these. I've already got these and I absolutely love them. Okay, so we got hitters. We got some blade floss air can. Absolutely love this. I've been wanting to get some of this for ages because when your clippers get like filled up, I normally use my hairdresser. I normally use my hairdryer to blow all the air, like the hair out through the clippers. But this, especially, been designed already to do this. So I'm really chuffed with that. Okay, oh, the Stylecraft Rebel. I needed this. Oh, we've won the lottery with this. I'm loving this. Okay, some new blades, some extra blades, which are actually the X Pro, so they're the upgraded blades for the hitters. So really, really happy with that. Oh, amazing. A wide tooth comb, and it's metal. Also, guys, they've sent me some blade floss as standard. You know, if you don't know what blade floss is, check it out on PSA group on the website. I'll put all the links down in the description as well. But blade floss basically cleans and oils all your clippers. It's a super easy way to do it. I'll put some more videos up for that as well. Okay, guys, so the moment of truth, which I was pretty sure when the other ambassadors got some of this, that this would be on the way. So check it out, guys. The brand new clipper. This is designed for a left hand, so whoever's left-handed, this can be used for a left-hander barber, or it can be used for a right-handed barber. So this is best of both worlds. So if you are a left-handed barber, make sure you get yourself one of these. These are like the Iron Man clipper in the clipper and barbering world. So I'm super chuffed. I'll do all reviews, guys, and unboxing reviews on all of these tools. So let me know if you like anything, if you want me to review anything else, and let me know in the comment section, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks again, and check more videos out up here.